reminder to all passengers on platform number 7. Please stand well behind the yellow line until the train has arrived onto the platform number 7. This is for your safety and the safety of others. All passengers on platform 7, please stand well behind the yellow line until the train has come to a complete stop. Once again, this is a reminder to all passengers on platform number 7. Can you please stand behind the yellow line and wait for the train to please stop on the platform. Once again, all passengers on platform 7, please stand well behind the yellow line until the train has come to a complete stop. Thank you. Once again, this is another further reminder for all passengers on platform number 7 to please stand well away from the platform edge while the train is approaching the platform. Please stand well away from the edge of platform number 7 until the train has come to a complete stop. Thank you.